A second Tesla employee within 1 month has filed a lawsuit alleging sexual harassment at the workplace, according to reports by Reuters and Business Insider. Erica Cloud, an assembly line worker at Tesla, filed a lawsuit in California's Alameda County Superior Court claiming that she experienced continuous and pervasive sexual harassment in the factory where she worked. Cloud's managers are allegedly retaliating against her. As noted by Reuters, Cloud's lawsuit alleges that her manager hugged and massaged her, and claims that she was also subject to her manager's vulgar and sexual remarks. It also accuses Tesla of not doing enough to address possible sexual harassment in the workplace. Cloud's managers are allegedly retaliating against her after she brought up the issue to Human Resources. This comes just after Jessica Barraza, a production associate at Tesla, filed a lawsuit accusing the company of rampant sexual harassment at its Fremont, CA factory. Barraza's lawsuit claims that she was inappropriately touched, catcalled, and subject to sexual comments at the workplace. She also alleges that her managers knew about the harassment and partook in the same type of behavior. In October, Tesla was ordered to pay $137 million in connection to another incident at its Fremont factory. Owen Diaz, a black former elevator operator at the company, said he experienced racial harassment and discrimination. Tesla employees later proposed a class action lawsuit alleging racism at the Fremont factory.